Hi, I'm Antonis, and I'm proud to present you my online course in iconography, Paint an Icon with Me. This course will help you become a better iconographer, and it will help you be more confident when talking and presenting your artwork. It will make you understand in depth the studio practices of a professional iconographer like me, and you will get accustomed to what great iconography looks like. So learn in a simple and organized way everything you need about the materials, mediums, and techniques in order to make a beautiful icon. Paint with me the icon of Christ and learn how to paint better any icon you wish. I will see you at the studio.
Hi, my name is Antonis and I'm an iconographer and a painter. Today I want to share with you this short video on how I paint the lights on the hair of a saint, and I hope this video finds you in a creative mood, in good health and great psychology. Thank you so much for supporting this channel, for supporting my content, my videos, and I plan to upload weekly and with tutorials on the Byzantine iconography and painting in general. So, as you see, the first thing that I'm doing here on painting the hair, first I've finished the face. I've painted the face of the saint. This is Saint Ioudas, one of the apostles of Christ. And since Saint Ioudas is to be painted as a young man, I will use these lights that are for a young to be painted on a young saint. So on a base, on a proplasmos, the base color that you see, I've used some red iron oxide, a little bit of black, a little bit of cadmium yellow to create this brownish, green-brownish color as a base. And on that I've painted with some free brush strokes the shadows of the head, of the hair. At that point I'm free to use a brush stroke that is not very strict, not very restrained, let's say, but a more painterly brush. For this shadow I will add some black on the color of my proplasmos, and using more or less egg tempera solution I will create these shadows on the proplasmos. Now at this point you see me painting the first light of the hair, and for this color I've used some ochre, a little bit of iron oxide red, a little bit of black to break the yellowness of the ochre, and I will of course observe my reference and see if the color that I've created on my palette and that is placed on the hair as the first light is similar to the one of my reference. And with the tiny little brush strokes I will place these little forms. You will be able to find the full tutorial of how I painted the face of Saint Ioudas on my Patreon page, and I would like to thank all my Patreon's supporters there. It's really important for me, and all your support, your financial support there for me is precious and really makes my life easier and supports my artistic life. So thank you so much. You can find the tutorial of how I painted the face of Saint Ioudas there. It's in slower motion, and I hope this will be very helpful to you. Now back here on the hair, you see me now painting the second light on the hair of Saint Ioudas. I just want to say that before starting painting the hair, you should always pay some attention on the reference that you study, on the icon that you study, and try to understand how the master iconographer has placed these shapes of light, the first shapes of light on the hair. Try to see how there is volume on the hair. There are areas of light and shadow, and try to a little bit feel in yourself and understand which areas are supposed to be in the light and which areas are supposed to be in darkness. This way you will, if you understand better this, you'll be able to better paint hair on every saint that you are to paint. Now you see me painting this second light, and for this I will add some yellow on and a little bit of white on my first light, and with a tinier brush that I control completely, I will try to place these linear, let's say, lights on each of the shape of the first light. Now, in my opinion, this painting an icon shouldn't be a digital, let's say, painting, very extremely precise and extremely, painted as if we are robots. I've seen some icons and they are really great, that they are painted with extreme precision. It depends. Each painter has a different nervous and muscle system, and some people, their hand might be more shaky, more trembling, etc. That shouldn't be a problem, because we have examples from the history of art, from the history of iconography, of amazing, beautiful icons that are painted in a more shaky, painterly, let's say, way. So it's okay. For me, I find this way of painting very nice. It fits to me, to the way my nervous system is developed. So anyway, this is the process of painting the lights on the hair. I hope you find something useful in this video. Thank you again so much, and I will see you soon with another video tutorial. Bye.